Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech and gadgets. Today, we've got something special lined up for you: the Teejus 2KF HD Wireless Doorbell Camera by Zoomimo. We'll dive deep into its features, benefits, and why it's the best DIY doorbell camera on the market. So, grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's get started. Now, let's talk about what makes this doorbell camera stand out from the crowd. The Teejus doorbell camera boasts a 2KF HD lens, offering you crystal clear video quality. That's 2 times sharper than standard 1080p cameras. Whether it's day or night, you'll capture everything with stunning clarity. Worried about nighttime security? Fear not. Thanks to its infrared lights, this camera delivers exceptional night vision. You won't miss a thing, even in the darkest of nights. The camera features AI motion detection. It records videos when motion is detected and sends instant alerts to your smartphone. Plus, here's the kicker: it can differentiate between people, pets, vehicles, and parcels, reducing unnecessary alerts. Ever wanted to sound like a clown or disguise your voice? With its voice changer, you can. It's perfect for protecting your privacy. You can also leave pre-recorded voice messages for quick replies when you're not available to talk. Installation is a breeze. You can choose between adhesive tapes or screws, making it suitable for any home. Powered by a large capacity battery, it's 100% wire-free. No need to worry about outlets or wires. Rain or shine, this camera has you covered. With its IP66 waterproof rating, it can withstand any weather condition. Your home will be protected year-round. Worried about storage? You have choices. Use an SD card or enjoy 7-day free loop recording in the cloud with no subscription required. Your recorded footage is just a click away. Security is paramount, right? The integrated siren will sound off if anyone tries to tamper with the camera. You'll receive instant notifications, ensuring your home's safety. But wait, there's more. You'll get a wireless chime with 4 ringtones and 5 volume levels included. You won't miss any visitors at your doorstep. So, there you have it, the Teejus 2KF HD Wireless Doorbell Camera, a game-changer in home security. With its incredible features, ease of installation, and unbeatable price, it's no wonder it's our top pick for a DIY doorbell camera. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.